and in this video we are going to be unboxing Truke Buds Q1 True Wireless Earbuds. This is the front of the packaging, and you can see the products being clearly mentioned over here, with one of the features being called out, that is crystal clear calls. It supports crystal clear calls. On the rear of the packaging we have some additional specifications along with a few more hero features. It has Bluetooth version 5.1. The charging time for the earbuds happens to be 90 minutes. Playtime is between 6 to 8 hours, and the call duration is also the same, which is 6 to 8 hours. Each earbud has 40 mAh battery built in, and the charging case itself has 400 mAh battery built in. The distance is 10 meters. There is a range of the device, that's because it's Bluetooth 5.1. Standby duration is 72 hours, and this thing uses a USB Type-C interface for charging. The features that they are wishing to point out happen to be the quad MEMS mic, which is on each earbud. It has low latency codec support, which means it's great for gaming. Then it has the bass. It also has touch controls and ENC. On this side, we have some of the same features being called out again. It supports all platforms, that is Windows, iOS and Android, and it has a 10mm dynamic driver. So let's begin with the unboxing. On the inside, we see a little clamshell with the earbud case. There are a couple of documentations. I'll keep the box on one side and go through all the components one by one. First, you have the user manual for the Truke Buds Q1. This thing has all the instructions as well as highlights and some of the features of the True Wireless earbuds. You should obviously read this so that you know how to properly use your device. After that, you have the warranty card. Again, read the terms and conditions of the warranty statement to get an idea of what all is covered and for how much period. Then you have a little sachet with ear tips. These True Wireless earbuds tend to come with 2 extra pair of ear tips. One of them happens to be small and the other happens to be large. The medium-sized tips are always going to be installed on the earbuds themselves. Then you have the charging cable, which is a USB Type-C cable. These things are between 15 to 20 centimeters long, and that's the same case over here as well. And lastly, you have the earbuds themselves. And this thing opens up from the front, and you can see the earbuds in the clamshell packaging. The charging port is on back, and that's a Type-C interface as we've seen before. Once you pull out the buds, you can see charging prongs as well as the gold contacts that are present on the buds themselves. And that's about it. This was the unboxing of the Truke Buds Q1. Thank you for watching.